Melissa Mays says the ominous change in the water was particularly noticeable at bath time.
My youngest would tell me, Mom, it's yellow and it's a filmy, gross, foamy thing, and it would smell like open sewer.
When the power goes out, most of us lose hot water, but the Amish keep theirs flowing without electricity or propane. How do they do it? Hot water is something we take for granted until it's gone. When the power goes out or propane runs out, many are left with cold water. Electric and propane heaters work for most, but they're vulnerable to failures. So what happens when those systems fail? For centuries, the Amish have lived without electricity or propane, yet they always have hot water. Using simple, low-tech methods like wood stoves, gravity-fed systems, and even solar, they've mastered heating water off the grid. As we explore their techniques, we'll see how these methods offer resilience, sustainability, and independence. Crucial lessons for an uncertain future. In most Amish homes, the wood-burning stove serves as more than just a kitchen appliance. It's the heart of the household, providing warmth and hot water, while embodying the Amish values of simplicity and self-sufficiency. These stoves, built from sturdy cast iron, are designed to hold and radiate heat long after the fire burns out, offering a constant, reliable source of warmth in the home. Throughout the day, large metal pots or kettles are placed on the stove's surface to heat water. As the family goes about their daily activities, whether cooking, heating the home, or doing household chores, the stove quietly ensures there is always a steady supply of hot water. This water is used for everything from washing dishes and bathing to doing laundry, making the wood-burning stove a central hub of daily life. Unlike modern homes that rely on electricity or propane, the Amish remain largely independent from the grid. Wood-burning stoves are powered solely by wood, a resource that the Amish harvest themselves. This sustainable practice allows them to stay connected to the land and maintain control over their own energy needs. By gathering and chopping wood from their local surroundings, Amish families can heat their homes and water without relying on external sources of fuel or power. The efficiency of wood-burning stoves is well supported by modern research. Studies on their performance show that these stoves, especially those constructed from cast iron, are highly effective at both retaining and radiating heat for extended periods. Research has demonstrated that cast iron stoves can continue releasing heat for several hours after the fire has died down, making them an excellent choice for off-grid heating. This ability to radiate warmth long after the wood is burned out has been recognized as a key factor in their efficiency, especially in homes where consistent heat is necessary throughout the night or during cold weather. The use of these stoves reflects the Amish commitment to self-reliance and sustainability. Their ability to function off-grid ensures that, even during power outages or in remote areas, the Amish can continue their daily routines without disruption. The wood-burning stove has proven itself to be a reliable companion in Amish homes, fulfilling both practical and symbolic roles. It represents a way of life that is closely tied to nature, tradition, and the preservation of simple, effective tools. Now, while wood-burning stoves are a staple, many Amish homes have refined their systems further by incorporating gravity-fed hot water setups. Let's move on to see how these systems work. The Amish have always prioritized simplicity and functionality in their daily lives, and their gravity-fed hot water systems are a prime example of this philosophy. These systems rely entirely on the forces of gravity and the natural heat produced by wood-burning stoves to distribute hot water throughout the home. By eliminating the need for electric pumps or complicated machinery, the Amish have created a system that is both sustainable and perfectly suited for their off-grid lifestyle. It reflects their broader commitment to resourcefulness and independence from modern utilities. In a typical Amish household, water is heated in a large metal tank connected directly to the wood stove. As the stove generates heat, the water inside the tank gradually warms up. As it heats, the water becomes lighter and rises through copper pipes that are strategically positioned at slight inclines throughout the home. Gravity pulls the water through the system, ensuring it flows naturally to key areas like the kitchen or bathroom, providing a continuous supply of hot water without the need for external energy sources. This simple yet effective system is emblematic of the Amish preference for practical, low-tech solutions that are reliable and easy to maintain. Copper pipes are often used in these setups because of their excellent heat conductivity. This ensures that the water maintains a consistent temperature as it moves through the home. Once the water cools, it circulates back through a second set of pipes, returning to the tank for reheating. This closed-loop system ensures that the water is always in motion, reducing energy loss and making the most of the heat produced by the wood stove. Studies on passive water heating systems have repeatedly highlighted the sustainability and efficiency of gravity-fed designs. These systems have proven to be particularly effective in off-grid environments, where reducing reliance on external energy is essential. One of the most attractive features of gravity-fed systems is their durability and simplicity. With no mechanical or electrical components, the risk of breakdowns or malfunctions is minimal. The system functions as long as the wood stove is operational, providing a steady supply of hot water without the need for constant maintenance. This reliability makes it especially appealing to those looking for long-term, sustainable solutions for hot water, particularly in remote areas or during emergencies when modern utilities are unavailable. The appeal of the gravity-fed water system lies in its ability to function independently of modern technology, offering a timeless solution for heating water that aligns with the Amish way of life. It's a method that reflects both the practicality and the resourcefulness of the Amish, who continue to find innovative ways to live sustainably while minimizing their environmental impact. This system, with its ease of use, longevity, and efficiency, remains a trusted and valuable tool for off-grid living, offering a steady supply of hot water without the complexities or costs associated with modern energy sources. While gravity-fed systems are incredibly efficient, some Amish communities have found another off-grid method that doesn't even rely on wood: kerosene-powered water heaters. Let's take a look. In certain Amish communities that allow limited use of modern technology, kerosene-powered water heaters have gained popularity as an efficient way to heat water without relying on electricity or propane. Kerosene, a liquid fuel long known for its reliability and long shelf life, has been a cornerstone of off-grid living for decades. Its ease of storage and dependable performance make it a perfect option in settings where energy independence is crucial. The operation of kerosene-powered water heaters is simple and effective. These heaters burn kerosene to heat a tank of water, often equipped with a manual ignition system that bypasses the need for electricity. Once ignited, the heater can produce a consistent and steady supply of hot water, even during extended periods without power. This reliability makes kerosene heaters highly valuable in Amish households, where they offer a practical and straightforward solution for hot water without the complications associated with modern fuel sources. One of the significant advantages of kerosene-powered water heaters is their ability to run continuously with very little maintenance. Amish families typically purchase kerosene in bulk, storing it in large tanks to ensure they have enough fuel to last through the winter months. This practice ensures complete independence from external fuel grids or propane deliveries, allowing them to maintain a reliable source of hot water throughout the year. Studies have shown kerosene's effectiveness as a long-term energy source, particularly in rural or remote areas where access to conventional fuels is limited. These studies highlight kerosene's stability and efficiency, especially when applied to water heating in off-grid settings, confirming its role as a dependable resource in such environments. Kerosene-powered water heaters present a practical backup solution to other heating methods, like wood stoves or gravity-fed water systems. These heaters offer a fuel-based alternative that avoids the challenges of depending on electricity, making them a crucial tool for ensuring access to hot water during power outages or other crises. With their proven durability and ease of use, kerosene water heaters stand as a reliable and effective means of heating water in any self-sustaining or off-grid environment, offering flexibility and independence to those seeking long-term, fuel-efficient solutions. Kerosene heaters provide a great alternative, but some Amish families have gone even further, harnessing renewable energy to heat their water. Solar water heating is one such method. Let's explore this next. In some progressive Amish communities, solar water heating has become a key innovation, offering a sustainable way to meet daily hot water needs while staying off the grid. These systems harness energy from the sun to heat water, providing an eco-friendly alternative to traditional methods like propane or electricity. Solar water heaters are not only cost-effective but align with the Amish values of simplicity and sustainability. Typically, solar panels are mounted on rooftops, where they capture sunlight and convert it into heat. This energy is then used to warm water stored in insulated tanks, making hot water readily available for household tasks. The system is particularly efficient during the summer when sunlight is abundant, but even in colder seasons, solar water heaters are capable of providing enough hot water to meet basic needs. Their design makes them an attractive option for off-grid living, as they tap into a renewable, free resource, sunlight, without requiring a continuous fuel supply. The benefits of solar water heating are backed by research. Studies show that solar water heaters can reduce energy consumption by as much as 50%, a significant advantage for households aiming to minimize their dependence on external power sources. Newer models have also been developed with advanced insulation and technology, allowing them to function effectively even in cooler climates. However, because solar energy can sometimes be inconsistent, especially during cloudy or cold periods, many Amish families maintain backup systems. These include kerosene-powered heaters or wood-burning stoves to ensure a reliable supply of hot water year-round. Solar water heating presents a viable, environmentally conscious option. While the initial investment in equipment and installation can be high, the long-term benefits are considerable. Once installed, these systems provide decades of hot water with minimal maintenance, making them an ideal solution for sustainable off-grid living. As we move forward, we'll explore another traditional method of heating water that continues to play a role in Amish homes. Copper coil systems. Copper coil water heaters represent a highly effective yet straightforward method for heating water, one that some Amish families have integrated into their daily lives. These systems capitalize on the excellent thermal properties of copper, combined with the natural heat produced by wood stoves or furnaces, to provide a reliable source of hot water without relying on electricity or other external power sources. By taking advantage of a simple, efficient design, Amish families can ensure they have a steady supply of hot water for essential household tasks like cooking, cleaning, and bathing. The system's basic setup involves coiling copper pipes around or inside a wood stove or furnace. As the stove burns, the heat generated by the fire is transferred directly to the copper pipes, rapidly warming the water flowing through them. This water can then be stored in insulated tanks for later use or delivered immediately to faucets, ensuring that hot water is always available when needed. This direct heating process bypasses the need for conventional water heaters, offering a practical solution for families who seek energy independence and resource efficiency. A major factor in the effectiveness of these systems is copper's excellent thermal conductivity. Copper is one of the best materials for heat transfer, meaning it absorbs and conducts heat quickly, warming the water inside the coils at a much faster rate than other materials would. This efficiency translates into less time spent heating water and reduced fuel consumption, as the system maximizes the heat produced by the stove. Once the water reaches the desired temperature, it can be maintained in a storage tank or directed straight to the household's water system for immediate use, making the copper coil heater both time-efficient and energy-conscious. The integration of copper coil water heaters into wood stove systems is often enhanced by pairing them with gravity-fed water systems. These gravity-based systems allow water to flow naturally through the copper coils without the need for pumps, further reducing energy use. The combination of copper's rapid heat transfer and gravity-fed flow creates an optimized system that requires minimal fuel to maintain a consistent supply of hot water. Studies have repeatedly demonstrated copper's superior thermal efficiency, showing that it not only heats water faster, but also minimizes energy loss in the process, making it an ideal material for off-grid heating applications where every bit of energy is valuable. Another significant advantage of copper coil water heaters is their durability. Copper is naturally resistant to corrosion, a feature that ensures these systems can function effectively for many years with little to no maintenance. This is a crucial benefit for Amish families and others living off the grid, where the availability of repair services or replacement parts may be limited. Once installed, copper coil systems offer a long-lasting, low-maintenance solution for heating water, aligning perfectly with the Amish preference for self-sufficiency and sustainability. The longevity of these systems makes them a reliable choice for those who seek to minimize upkeep and maximize the return on their investment in household infrastructure. Installing a copper coil system is also relatively straightforward, making it an attractive option for people interested in achieving energy independence. Whether they are living in rural areas, planning for long-term off-grid living, or simply seeking to reduce their utility bills, individuals can benefit from the simplicity and practicality of these systems. The ease of installation and the low-maintenance nature of copper coils make them accessible to a wide range of users, from experienced DIY enthusiasts to those new to off-grid solutions. As we've seen, there are multiple ways the Amish ensure a hot water supply without propane or electricity. Now let's look at a unique method that reflects their use of creative, low-tech solutions. Using pressure cookers for water heating. While pressure cookers are typically associated with food preparation, the Amish have ingeniously adapted these appliances for a broader range of uses in their homes. In several Amish communities, pressure cookers play a dual role, not only aiding in meal preparation, but also becoming an essential part of their water heating systems. This innovation is especially useful in remote areas where resources like wood or kerosene can be scarce or expensive. By leveraging the pressure cooker's design, the Amish have found a way to maximize efficiency in both fuel use and time management. The process they employ is simple yet highly effective. First, water is poured into the pressure cooker, which is then placed on a heat source, such as a wood stove. The key advantage of a pressure cooker lies in its ability to trap steam, creating a pressurized environment that allows water to reach higher temperatures faster than with traditional open pot methods. As the water heats, the sealed design ensures that both heat and steam remain inside, speeding up the process of generating hot water. This heated water can then be used for a variety of household tasks, from cleaning and cooking to personal hygiene, such as bathing or washing clothes. Research into the efficiency of pressure cookers has reinforced the idea that their utility goes beyond cooking. Studies have shown that pressure cookers consume significantly less fuel and time to heat water compared to open boiling. This is a crucial advantage for Amish families, particularly those living off the grid, where conserving resources like wood or propane is critical for daily survival. The ability to heat small amounts of water quickly means that families can reduce the frequency with which they need to stoke the fire or refuel the stove, which in turn lowers their overall consumption of precious resources. Moreover, pressure cookers' ability to operate efficiently with limited fuel aligns perfectly with the Amish values of frugality and sustainability. For communities that often live without access to modern utilities like electricity or natural gas, the pressure cooker provides an adaptable, multi-purpose tool that fits seamlessly into their lifestyle. It becomes not just an appliance, but a crucial part of their household management system, offering solutions for both meal preparation and water heating with minimal energy expenditure. In areas where conventional water heating systems may be unavailable or impractical, such as in homes that rely on off-grid solutions, the pressure cooker serves as a versatile alternative. Its small size and efficient use of heat make it particularly valuable for households that may not need to boil large quantities of water at once, but still require hot water for daily tasks. By using the pressure cooker in this way, Amish families minimize waste and ensure that even simple tools have multiple functions, making the most of their resources. Ultimately, the pressure cooker becomes much more than a kitchen tool in Amish homes. It evolves into an energy-saving device that contributes to sustainable living. By repurposing this common appliance for heating water, the Amish demonstrate a practical, innovative approach to managing household tasks. Their ability to find new uses for everyday items not only reflects their ingenuity, but also reinforces their commitment to living efficiently and resourcefully, a core principle of their way of life. Finally, let's look at one of the more advanced systems some Amish communities use, combining modern knowledge with old-fashioned reliability: geothermal heating. In some of the more progressive Amish communities, geothermal heating systems have become a forward-thinking solution for providing hot water year-round without relying on traditional fuel sources. These systems harness the Earth's natural heat, offering a sustainable and entirely off-grid way to meet household needs. By tapping into the consistent warmth found below the Earth's surface, geothermal systems are not only practical, but align with the Amish values of self-reliance and resourcefulness. The operation of a geothermal system is straightforward yet highly effective. Water is pumped through a network of underground pipes, where it absorbs heat from the earth, which maintains a relatively constant temperature throughout the year. As the water travels through these pipes, it warms up and is then circulated back into the home. This heated water can be used for a variety of purposes, including bathing, washing, or even heating the house itself. By utilizing the earth's natural energy, these systems offer a continuous supply of hot water without the need for external fuels like propane or kerosene. What makes geothermal heating so appealing is its incredible efficiency. Studies on geothermal energy have confirmed its ability to provide reliable heating year-round, even in colder climates where solar power may be less effective. This makes it a particularly useful option for Amish families living in regions with harsh winters, as the geothermal system operates independently of seasonal changes. Additionally, while the installation of geothermal systems requires a significant upfront investment and careful planning, they are virtually maintenance-free once operational. The system continues to work with little intervention, providing a long-term, sustainable solution for hot water and heating needs. Geothermal systems represent the gold standard of sustainable energy solutions. They eliminate the need for ongoing fuel costs as they rely solely on the Earth's natural heat, making them both environmentally friendly and economically efficient in the long run. In Amish communities that have adopted this technology, geothermal heating stands as a testament to their willingness to embrace innovation while staying true to their commitment to sustainability and independence. Geothermal heating is not only an example of the Amish integrating modern technology into their off-grid lifestyle, but also a model for long-term, environmentally conscious living. Powered by the Earth itself, these systems offer a reliable, low-maintenance way to provide hot water and heat, underscoring the practicality and forward-thinking approach that defines these communities. These techniques offer valuable lessons for anyone looking to reduce their reliance on the grid and prepare for the unexpected. The Amish approach to heating water provides inspiration for how we can all become more self-reliant in today's unpredictable world. If you found these Amish water heating methods interesting, check out our other videos on sustainable living tips.